Welcome back to Labut's Python Pit for a video about changing a variable that I've already declared or assigned a value. Here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a variable which is called name that I've already given a value of Chris, and I'm going to take another variable, age, which I've already given the value of 45. I'm going to change their values. The way Python works, just like in any kind of code tracing, is the computer will declare a new value for a variable every single time it is told to do so. And it will then remember the very last assignment or declaration of that variable's value. The first time I told the computer what the name Chris will, or the name will equal Chris, that's what it remembered. But now I'm going to have it remember that the value of name is Bob. So starting at line 1 in the code, it is being told that the name equals Chris. But once it gets down to line 3, it's now being told the name equals Bob. So it will forget about Chris. And it will now remember or assign the value that I have declared for name. It's going to remember the name or value Bob. Similarly, I'm going to change later in my code here the age variable to 96. So when I run this, I should have the computer print the name and print the age that it currently is remembering are the name and age. The very last time that I declared what name and age would have as values was a Bob and 96. So that's what I should see when I run it. There it is. It worked. Thanks for watching Labut's Python Pit.